Some elevators in EDSA Carousel had broken glass panels, including stations of Bagong Barrio, Balintawak, and Guadalupe. According to the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA, some individuals throw rocks on glass panels during its installation between April up to June.
Nananawagan kami sa mga gagamit nito at sa publiko na ingatan po natin itong ganitong proyekto. Kasi may instance po na may nambato ng ating elevator na nagdulot ng pagkabasag ng isang panel.
According to MMDA Acting Chairman Attorney Don Artes, it was intentionally installed with glasses to see people inside to prevent crime.
Kasi kung kulong siya at hindi nakikita yung tao sa loob, pwedeng pagmulan ng krimen ito. Holdapan, rape, or pangmumulestya ng mga pasahero. Kaya po natin ginawan transparent.
Aside from rock throwing incident, MMDA also reported there are elevators which cables were pulled out. As of this July, there are 5 stations of EDSA Carousel which has elevators including Monumento, Bagong Barrio, Balintawak, Phil-Am, and Guadalupe. Earlier this morning, Phil-Am Station and Kamuning Station of Busway were opened to commuters. According to Department of Transportation Secretary Jaime Bautista, they will request additional 200 million pesos to fund the installation of elevators in all stations of EDSA Carousel.
Hihingi tayo ng additional budget sa DBM at sa Kongreso upang magkaroon pa tayo ng mga additional mandate sa lahat ng station. No? Dapat to talaga sa lahat ng station dahil kailangan natin to for the accessibility of the senior citizens and persons with special needs.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.